Hi and welcome back. Today I'm going to attempt and install the new pedals on my mountain bike. I bought a mountain bike a month and a half ago, and then I realized it did come with the pedals, but they are plasticky and really slippery. So when you're riding, your feet are slipping off and it's kind of dangerous. So I did order aluminium pedals from OneUp company, and they're a Canadian company. I think they're based in BC. So today I'm gonna attempt and install that. So what we need is I did buy some grease as well to put on the thread of the new pedals. So we'll grease the thread, so that way next time we have to take them off, they're not seized, because the ones that I have now, it took me a while to take them off, even just to start, because they seized. So usually the right pedal is normal thread and left pedal is reverse thread. So just letting everybody know that, make sure you check, because if you're trying to unscrew it and it's not going, make sure you know. But okay, let's get to it. Okay, I got my pedal, and usually pedals are marked, the left and right. This one, it does say R on it. I don't know if you can see it or if camera is gonna focus, because the green color is pretty bright. So, but yeah, and there they are. So this one is for the right side, and there's the one for the left side. So this one is the left. So we'll try to unscrew the left side first, and I will also put the grease. We'll apply the grease on it, like I said, so it doesn't seize, in case you need to take it off. And there we go. And then just Allen key, and you're good to go. I know, I put the gloves on, just, there we go. The pedal is out, and they're just like cheapy pedals. So we'll throw that away, and we'll take this one off as well. We'll take this one off. That's okay, it's coming out. And usually bicycles, high-end bikes, any better bike doesn't really come with pedals, and I wish the manufacturer or the stores would just actually sell the bike with no pedals. I know some of them do. That way, whenever you want a bike, they can tell you, do you want to buy better ones, or you know, you should have an option instead of them just putting the pedals on. But okay, I have applied some grease on them, and then the other one, they're both, I applied grease, and it's just white lithium grease. I hope it's okay. I mean, and then I'm just gonna check, this is left, tighten that way, and there it is, it's going in nice and smooth. And also on the pedal there is the arrow. When it says left, it will show the arrow which way to tighten them. So it's really kind of, it's hard to mess up, but it's always possibility to mess up. So there is the arrow on the pedal, which way to tighten. Okay, there they are. And I will do the review on the bike at some point, but now I have to go back on the other side and do the other one. And I'm doing all this inside the house today because it's outside is hot, the AC is running, and yeah, it will be too loud, so that's not happening. Okay, now let's go on the other side. It doesn't look that bad actually. Okay. Now keep it high. Now again, there is the arrow that points which way to tighten. Tight this way. Okay. This one is to tighten make sure you start the pattern properly, threading. Otherwise you can screw up the threads inside and then here as well. There you go. It's pretty easy. I mean, it is straightforward. The only hard thing that is the problem is that's harder to do is loosen the old ones. Yeah, they're not going anywhere. Yeah, and I will do the review of my bike at some point. Yeah, it's electric assist, and it's made by Yamaha motor, PWX3 I believe. And but yeah, it's pretty easy, straightforward installation. Make sure you're careful when you're unscrewing them. When you're screwing the new ones in, it does say left or right on the pedal, and it shows the arrow to which way to tighten it. So yeah, good luck with that. And like I said, I will do the review of the bicycle, but that's for some other day. So yeah, I think they look pretty good actually. I know it's not the like black and green, lime green, it's pretty good. The bike is red and white. Like I wanted something to be totally different and something that's jumping out, like that's totally different contrast. Okay guys, I did install them, it's all done. Here is the final. And like I said, I will do the full review of the bike soon. Thank you for watching.